Okay, today we're going to talk about the ZUGU case for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Now, anyone who's been following my channel knows that I love this case. This is a case I get and I put on all of my iPads so I can have it's pristine protection as well as the case stand. So I had the iPad Pro 11-inch and I had the case. Then I upgraded to the 2020 iPad Pro 12.9-inch, so I had to upgrade my cases. And I went looking for it and it wasn't complete yet, but I put my order in anyway. I got the notification and then they shipped it to me. So it has arrived and we are going to talk about it right now. What's up guys, this is Jason with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to give you my full review of the ZUGU MUSE Case. Alright guys, so I already love it because it's super thin, super thin. You know, it has all of the cutouts. Let me show you all those beautiful cutouts. It's got the little spot for your pen to go. Of course your speakers and you charge it. You know, it's known for flipping out, bam, and turning into a little stand. And you've got all these different magnets in the back, and it goes to, I mean, pretty low. If you like to draw, it goes really low, you know, comes all the way up if you want to watch some movies. They put this really nice felt inside so your iPad feels secure. I'm gonna get the iPad in a second and throw it in there, but I just wanted to show you some of the positions first. It has a wonderful cutout for the camera, as well as a nice little area. This is one thing I really like. So you can put the pencil here, right? And that's cool when you're, you know, got it and you're taking care of it. But when you slide it in your bag, they actually have a little area right here where you slide the pen in and it's more protected and secure. So I really love that. There's also a feature where you can fling this thing and put it on the refrigerator or any magnetic surface and it'll hold it up there. So if you're in the kitchen, you're trying to do a recipe or something like that, and you can just throw it up there, put YouTube on there and watch it. And I mean, I think it's pretty cool. To open it, they have this wonderful little tab right here. And that way you can just push it and it opens right up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my iPad in. So grab that. Grab the iPad. All right, and it's easy to put it in. So all I do, and I must admit though, this one is a little tighter. Like the other ones, they were simpler to get in. This one is not so much for the back and forth, like put it in, take it out. Sometimes you just want to like put it in to go out, but then you come back home and you just want to watch videos, so you take it out. But now this one's tight. So You just slide it in there as such. And I put it in the corner right there. And I snap it into the corners at the bottom. Snap it into the corners at the top. Bam, bam. And we're good. And it's not too heavy. I mean, the case was so good, so protected. I feel as though if I dropped it, that I would be, I wouldn't be too scared, you know? It has, when you open it, the microfiber right here, and it's good because it goes directly onto your screen. So I don't have a screen protector, and this is a first for me, so, but I haven't had any problems. It really takes care of the screen, and you know, I haven't had an issue. It goes back and it protects the camera, so you lay it on a table or something, nothing touches, but the case, the plastic on the case. It's got like a faux leather to it, and I mean, these magnets are amazing, amazing. So you can just throw it back, and as I said, you put it in any position, and you can get on there, type. I mean, how can you go wrong, you know? And like I said, I get these every time I get an iPad. I have my 11-inch, which I gave to my wife, and I put that case on there for her, so she was kind of force-fed it, but she likes it, she likes it. As for the pen, again, like I was telling you guys, pen just snaps in there. I put it in the right way. Okay, the pen snaps in there, and now you shake it. It's not coming out, it's in there, you know. And then, for that added protection, slide it right in there, and it ain't going nowhere. Another thing I really like is, again, the buttons. They're really clicky, and I love that. I like the feedback to let me know that I'm pushing them, and it's not hard to push. I can simply push, works right away. Also, all the ports, as I stated, that were all cut out, they're perfectly cut out. I don't hear muffled music or muffled sound or anything. And also, okay. So this is gonna be one of my biggest things as well. I have got a lot of cases, and now I know a lot of the case manufacturers make these cases so that you can charge it with the Apple official cord, but not all cases come from, I mean, not all cords can come from Apple. I have a bunch of third-party cables, and sometimes I can't plug them in. Now this one, it's a big enough hole so that all of them plug into it. So I never have to worry about buying a third-party lightning cable and buying a large third-party USB-C cable and it goes in. You know, never have to worry about that. I have a couple other cases that are on my iPad sometimes, and I have to like peel them back so that you can even plug it in, and I'm like, that makes no sense. They should really make the hole just a little bigger. You know, people aren't always going to use the official Apple one. Anyway, other than that, I just say, you know what? If you're looking for a solid, strong, dedicated case, this is it. I mean, I can put it in a million positions to type on it. I can use it for drawing. It's just solid, nice. It feels premium. I haven't yet in any of them yet, but if I dropped it, I just know that this protection on these corners, each corner, I mean, it's thick, and there's a band all the way around it. That band goes all the way around. So I just know that it'll protect her, and it should be good. And this is an expensive investment, and you do not want anything bad to happen to them. It's sleek, and like I said, does not weigh that much. I mean, I don't know, like I said, I love it. So in closing, I'm just gonna let you guys know that this is the case to get, okay? I'm biased because I like this case. It's one of my favorite, but I just really think that if you want protection, you go out and grab this. I'm gonna leave some links in the description below so you guys can go ahead and pick it up if you want to check it out. If you found value in this video, if you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any new content I release. Also, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you would be the awesome, awesome, awesome person that makes my day. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.